how to manage background sync access on Google Chrome mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage background sync access on Google Chrome mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Google Chrome and then click these 3 points here to go to the settings, and then click settings, and now go down until you find this one, site settings, and then go down and you will find here background sync. And now if you want to turn off background sync, click on it, and if you want to turn it on again, just one click. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.